Hello and welcome to this short video on CADEC Pro interface in SolidWorks. If you have installed CADEC Pro on your computer, then you will see CADEC Works in Tools add-ins. If you don't see the CADEC toolbar in your SolidWorks, then right click uh, either in the uh, empty graphics area or in the toolbar area and choose Toolbars CADEC Works. And you will see this uh, CADEC Works toolbar. Okay. So now CADEC Works can be used in SolidWorks either to create a new product class for your product family or open an existing product class and modify it, or open an existing product class to create new designs from it. So we'll just quickly see uh, how CADEC Works user interface looks like. So first I'll open an existing product class of a conveyor assembly. Uh, this opened the master model of that product class, product family, and you will also see here the command manager of CADEC Works. So here you will see crawler, shape variable, size variable, shape linking, size linking, etc. So we'll just see uh, the different interfaces one by one. If I click on crawl, then it will identify which parts and assemblies are there in this particular model. And if I click OK, then it will go and find out all the information about all components, features, etc. Here you will see log components, which means that these components need not be crawled. Of course, I will not crawl this because this assembly is already crawled, so I'll click on cross. You will see that the crawler interface was loaded in SolidWorks Property Manager interface. Then if I click on shape variables, then the various shape variables will be seen here in the Property Manager. If I click on make mandatory, then the mandatory functionality or mandatory features and components will be seen here in the SolidWorks Property Manager. Then make optional. These are the optional components and features uh, and various features will be linked to the shape variables. Then I can see size variables which are defined for this product class in this. Then size variables can be linked to size parameters from the SolidWorks assembly. We'll of course see the use of all these functionalities in details in the next videos. We can see the uh, CADEC works calculation rules in task pane in SolidWorks. This right side uh, window is called task pane. Here we'll see that the functionality of uh, rules is included in this task pane. To close any functionality, you can click again on the same functionality and it will go off. Then there are some user functions. We'll of course see the functionality of user functions later. Then there is a drawing configurator. We'll see the functionality of drawing configurator later. There will be code config, custom properties, search equations. The search equations and edit shape are for modifying some of the shape variables. Class settings, custom UI, input output, input specs config. Open class we'll be seeing very soon now. Then auto create designs and import export functionality also is there. The various rules which are defined can be exported or they can be imported. Okay. So this was a brief of the configurator user interface. Now we'll see the creator user interface also. So I'll close this. Okay. So in this CADEC Works toolbar, I'll click on auto create designs. First, we had clicked on open class to view an existing product class. Now we'll click on auto create design so that using that class we can create a new design or you can create a design instance. So in this we call this autocrat designs we also call it as creator. So in I can choose the product class and I can select the various specifications or specify specifications and I can create a new product class. We'll of course see it in more details in further videos. So this was more to show you a user interface of CADEC. Thank you.